What's up guys, so today joining me in a Golf 7R. This is the first pay get of Golf 7 edition.
Play still. First pay, Golf 7. Hey, I'm a soft, I'm a pot.
So this car is VW's answer to the BMW M135, to the A45, and also to the Audi's S3, which you all know that it's basically the same car. You need to be careful here. This car is a bit low. I think we all actually have it in the lowest ride. So just gonna put it on the sportier setting, and then yep, I'm gonna make a quick U-turn here. But initial thoughts, this is very highly powered compared to the GTI that I've driven before. So with the air suspension, you do kind of feel like the car is going a bit wobbly, but you still have some sort of control on it, so it's not as bad as you would think. That sounds good. That sounds very good. This car has an updated exhaust system compared to your standard Golf. So what VW has done with this car, you have bigger brakes, you have more kilowatts in terms of power. So it's basically the same EA888 engine that you find in all the Golf GTIs and also the Polo GTIs actually, but an updated version of that engine. You also get 4Motion, which is VW's all-wheel drive system that allows you to take off very quickly with this car. And with that, those are some very nice pops. don't really talk much here. I think the car can do a much better job introducing itself and actually explaining itself what it really is all about. So what the owner has done to this car, he has an upgraded hybrid turbo. I believe you also have an intercooler. Just checking. You also have intakes. Take it back to spot and let the car shift for itself. So this is driving a 7-speed DSG transmission, all to the 4 wheels. But yeah, man, I think it's a very well-known car. A lot have been said about this car, but I just wanted you guys to have another, I don't think you can get enough of this. Just another yet experience of the Golf. But the difference between this car and the Golf R and the GTI is like night and day difference. It feels very refined. You get instant power. Everything here is very, very rapid, and I really actually like the power delivery on this car. So on corners, you do kind of feel that weight difference of the car shifting a bit.
My bitch on your LQK, yeah. No disrespect, the nigga be trippin', but we love, yeah. Swapping out cars on my bitch, I bought her the Lambo, she bought me the race. Practice make perfect, nigga, it's never too late. Never. I see the out of the snake, then I see the bills out of the bank. Talking the media fake, shout at DM, I'm straight. I'm not gon' bite on the bait. Sippin' on toxic waste, on the low with your bitch in this great. Mask on the face, chase. So that's how we in shape. Bro, she gon' leave, escape, she gone. I put 2 million in the safe, just in case. Don't go my way. Street to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, you can talk crazy on tweet. They don't want it cause I come to the beat. They don't want more beat. These niggas all sweet. That blue sticks all on the G. It's a new weirdo every week. Give it up, put it up for my seed. Put it up, no kill for the IG disease. You anything for clout. You anything for clout. You anything for clout. You anything for clout.
They know I'm the bomb, they ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta price the alarm. So for being tame, they'd rather be wild. Bitches is splendid, they wanna be down. Soon as bitches got something to sell, they say my name, that's in the town. Everybody wanna be this. Everybody wanna be this. If us, you all hate me, bitch. Read my problems and suck my dick. That talking, I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta pound. I got the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. This is bad, this is
that is it with the Golf 7R, and what I can say, this car is the best. It's a whole different, it's a night and day difference between the GTI and the Golf 7R. So yeah, let me know what you think of it, and yeah.
They do anything for clout, do anything for